In Iceland, there is a crazy secret. You can go to the bottom of a volcano.
Right up and down in there. Bam.
Dude, that's a deep hole.
Oh my God, I cannot believe this.
Hey, I'm Joel Sellentine, and you gotta join me because this is literally a one of a kind.
We're gonna go 140 times 3, 420 feet down into this volcano. Boom. That's kind of crazy. Let's go.
That's a deep hole.
Gonna go down on a little cart and figure it out. Look at some, who knows, lava stuff, I guess. I can't believe you can do this. We're like literally in the middle of, like inside this volcano. Oh my God. Blown away. Let's just take a look. It's just the walls. This is the wall, the inside of this volcano. All these colors. Just every color you could possibly imagine in one spot. The air down here is really clear, extremely, totally fresh. I don't understand it.
I think his name was Ernie, and he found this hole in the top of this mountain, and he decided, I'm gonna descend down and see what's up. So he took a rope and started descending down and couldn't get far enough. He was like, well, this isn't much of anything, because he was still kind of in the top. And then he went back and got a longer rope, still didn't get to the bottom, and it was about 20 years later that people came in and got to the bottom and lit it up and saw this.
I've lost my orientation. It's kind of hard to feel what's up and what's down. So I'm kind of feeling a little nauseous. I'm gonna suck it up. This is a total once in a lifetime experience. Kid and like making the little lava caves, you know, like the stuff that spits out, and just imagining like, whoa, wouldn't it be cool to see a volcano? Just makes you feel so small and appreciative of just the earth that we're on right now. It's almost like this emotional experience. We go up. Nope. Words. Did it. Had some delicious dinner. Off we go. Bye-bye.
There's my boy, because 3 minutes the first time wasn't enough. There you go, Joel.